Hello, everybody, and welcome to Knowledge 9. This is the one where we do fairy tales, and you're saying, all right, we've done fairy tales. Well, we have. We already heard the story of Cinderella, didn't we? Now, what do fairy tales have in common? There's often an animal that changes into something else. Like in Cinderella, we had the mice that turned into horses. We had a pumpkin that turned into a carriage. And you get stuff like that. You get, very often it's a family of four. And very often you'll have a wicked stepfather, a wicked father, a wicked stepmother, a wicked mother, a wicked child, or a wicked dog, or a wicked cat, or a woman that turns out to be a witch, or something like that. So look for those things that we're going to find. There are a lot of stories we're going to read. I will tell you what they are. On Monday, you're going to hear Sleeping Beauty. On Tuesday, Rumpelstiltskin. On Wednesday, Rapunzel, or Rapunzel. On Thursday or Friday, The Frog Prince. That's a 2-part lesson. And then Hansel and Gretel for next week. That is the week after. And that's a 2-part thing. And then Jack and the Beanstalk, and that will take us 2 days. That's a long story. Anyway, so a couple of the stories here were collected by the Grimm brothers, Jakob and Wilhelm Grimm. They were 2 Germans who went around collecting words because they wanted to make a dictionary. And they asked people to speak so that they could hear the words that they used, so they could put the words in their dictionary. And people would tell them stories, and they wrote the stories down. So not only did they collect a bunch of stories, but they got a lot of words to put into their dictionary. So be there on Monday when we start reading the first of the stories, and that will be Sleeping Beauty. Okay, I'll see you then.